Sandhal and Parul are friends. Sandhal is in the senior batch and Parul is in the first year. It is lunch break and they both meet each other in the mess. They are in the same committee and they ordered 350 t-shirts for an event which were to be delivered last week. But due to some problems in logistics, they faced delay. Parul was responsible for ordering and receiving the order.
Welcome to Force Edu, a place where all business and supply chain enthusiasts come for a weekly dose of knowledge. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, you're missing out on value-adding content.
Hey Parul, did the vendor contact you regarding the delivery of t-shirts?
Yes, he did call, but he informed me that the delivery will be delayed by another 2 weeks. I think there is some problem on the part of logistic. He also told me that due to large demand, there was a shortage of raw materials which further delayed the order.
I really wish they had a robust supply chain like China.
Yes, I remember the guest lecture organized by Force, where we were taught about the supply chain of industries around the world, and I couldn't help but notice the number of times the professor mentioned China's name and how it leads in apparel and textile industry.
And it became possible after the World Trade Organization agreement on textiles and clothing, which waived off all quotas restricting trade in garments and apparel. After that, China has become a major manufacturing and sourcing center for many apparels and textile companies. Yes, I did research on how Chinese companies achieve that kind of efficiency in their operations. China has a brilliant technological capabilities for supply chain and manufacturing systems. Business transformation is one of the major skills that are in demand in China right now.
By business transformation, do you mean they cover the entire supply chain experience, understanding the standard operating procedures, mergers and acquisitions, compliance, and integrated business planning?
Exactly, and because of this, several senior roles have picked up demand in the supply chain market, which includes supply chain director, supply chain excellence, and certain IBP roles.
One more thing I noticed when I compared our situation to that of China is that the skill set of a person responsible have an important role to play in establishing the overall procurement and maintenance process of a company and increasing the efficiency of supply chain processes.
It is true that qualified candidates can leverage numerous opportunities, and that is what we too are trying to achieve at a very fast pace. But it is a long way ahead.
I also noticed that one of the major factors that contribute to lowering labor cost is automation and use of robots which Chinese companies are using. It reduces losses due to human error, decrease the number of labor required, which in turn decreases wages cost per month as it has one-time fixed cost and some maintenance cost for machines.
So, I think if the skills of the person responsible are improved, the problem regarding delays would be rectified, and human skills are much more important than just automation. It is the combination of both that resulted in China's success as a manufacturing industry dominator.
And you guys out there, thank you for watching this video. To know more about China's operational strategies and supply chain efficiency, stay tuned to our channel Force Edu and watch out for our next video.